Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to take care of your battery on Vivo V29 Lite. The first thing to have in mind is to not overheat your phone. So if you're using your phone for a long time and playing games or doing any other extreme tasks, then your phone may get hot. And if it gets hot, it may damage your battery. To avoid that, you should try cooling it down by stopping using it if you have a chance to do it, so it cools down. Or if you are in a hot environment, like outside in the summer, you may want to keep it in a pocket or move to a colder environment so your phone doesn't get too hot, if you are able to do that. Also, you should not get your phone too cold, so when it's winter, you should also try to keep your phone not too cold because it damages battery as well. You should also try to not overcharge your phone, because if your phone is plugged in all the time and it's charged to 100% and it's still plugged in, then it may damage your battery. So either try unplugging your phone when it gets to 100, or if you want to keep it plugged in at sleep, you may want to enable optimized charging. Optimized charging will charge your phone up to 80%, then predict when you are expected to wake up, for example at 7 a.m. And based on that, it will resume charging at 6 a.m. to charge up to 100%, so when you wake up, it's fully charged, but it's not overcharged. And to enable it, go to settings, then in settings just go to battery, charging settings, optimize battery charging, and enable this option. And you should also try not to discharge your phone below 15%. It happens sometimes, and if you need to use your phone and you don't have a charger with you, that's okay. But if you have a chance to plug in your phone, then you should do it before it gets below 15%, because discharging your phone fully may damage its battery. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.